If you've ever done research involving space, aerospace engineering, or applied sciences, you've probably used NASA papers before. In this video, I'll show you how to use the NASA Technical Report Server Scraper by ParseForge, which you can find on Apify or in the link down in the description. It's used to automatically collect technical reports and scientific publications from the NASA's Technical Report Server. No manual searching, no copying, no coding. The NASA Technical Reports Server Scraper lets you extract structured publication data directly from the NASA's official NTRS database. You can collect report titles, authors, abstracts, publication dates, NASA centers, document types, subject categories, and download links, all automatically. This is perfect for literature reviews, academic research, competitive analysis, or tracking NASA's latest scientific output. So, how does it work? There's two ways to use this scraper. If you've already done a search in the NTRS, then you can paste the URL in here. Or you can use these filters, which are the same ones as the NTRS. You can search using a general keyword like space exploration or Mars rover, or narrow things down with filters like publication date regions, NASA centers such as Goddard or JPL, document types like technical memorandums or conference papers, and even publication dates. Just remember, you have to choose one way. If you paste the URL, you'll have to leave empty the filters. In this example, I'm searching for space exploration technical memorandums from the Goddard Space Flight Center and from 2020 to 2023. Once you're ready, you set the maximum number of items, and you can run the actor once or schedule it according to your needs. For this demo, we'll run it once. Now, we'll let the actor cook up its magic. When the run finishes, you'll get this dataset table in the Output tab. Each result includes the citation ID and title, authors and affiliations, abstracts and keywords, publication and distribution dates, the center information, the PDF and full text availability. Everything is clean, structured, and ready to use. You can also export this as a CSV, JSON, or Excel file. This makes it easy to build research databases, run systematic literature reviews, track scientific trends, or feed data into dashboards, BI tools, or academic workflows. If you want fast, reliable access to NASA's technical publications without manual work, this scraper saves you hours per project. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us. And if you enjoy this scraper, we appreciate a review. Thank you.